Hi everyone. Today I'm going to review a particular issue that came into the CSC capability SPA box. The email reads, the below loads have been unloaded and received in SAP but are still showing as valid in DRP. The site did a great job of supplying all the information that we need, which is the STO number or order number, the legacy number, and then if you look in the subject, it's Aberdeen that's requesting this this action. If you notice where we launched the video from, I have a template that I made. It has the issue name. Right here, I already went ahead and filled out the location, the legacy order numbers, and the STO numbers. These arrows just indicate that this legacy order number goes with this STO, and this legacy order number goes with the STO. In this video, we're only going to do one example. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and copy the legacy order number. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Then we're going to open up OMS Monitor. To fix this particular issue, you don't necessarily need OMS Monitor, but going into the OMS Monitor, we're just going to go and check the current state of the order itself. Now, we already fixed this issue, so it's going to have the status that we want to see, and I'll get into that in a second, right after I log in. Oops. Try one more time. So if you do have access to the OMS order monitor, this page will populate. Otherwise, you will have to put in a IDM request in order to gain access. Once you log in, you're going to click the FLNA button. Then you want to click on site name. Type in whatever site that's requesting, which in our case, it's Aberdeen plant. And then click connect. Here you will notice that you have two areas that you can actually paste the legacy order number in. We want to make sure that we paste it in the second line. Hit submit. And here we go. So as I mentioned, the status is status 80. When we received this ticket, this status wasn't 80. I believe it was status 20 or something like that. So our end goal is to get it to status 80. The next step is to go back to our Excel spreadsheet. We're going to go ahead and copy the STO that corresponds with this legacy order number, which in this case it's 7605840109. Open up SAP, your SAP GUI. Locate ZVGR reprocess IDOC reprocess for OMS goods receipts. Double click on that. This screen, you can do a few options. You can set up a range for delivery dates. You can enter the STO numbers in a range if you like. And as I mentioned in the Excel spreadsheet, you could use the delivery number if you don't want to use the STO number. But in this example, we're going to go ahead and use the STO. So we're going to go ahead and paste that in. You'll notice too that this box is always checked. We want to go ahead and uncheck that. We don't want to do a test run. We just want to execute it. Once you do that, you hit the execute button. Then you'll notice that the STO number was reprocessed and staging table successfully updated. So it will take roughly about 15 minutes for the status to update on the OMS side. So just take notice of the time, wait 15 minutes, and then after 15 minutes, when you go back into your order monitor screen, which we already saw, but we'll go ahead and go back in there. If you're still at this screen, just click back. Then we want to open up our spreadsheet, copy the legacy order number. Remember, paste it in the second one, hit submit. And then after 15 minutes, the status should update to status 80. This is where we want it to be at. Once you verify that this status is at status 80, you can contact the site and let them know that the order was reprocessed for SAP. Thanks for your time.